Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Thursday, 19th day of the month of September. Quickly coming down to the last few days of official summertime. Actually, first day of September is meteorologically what we call the beginning of autumn. It's because the sun rises later, sets earlier each and every day by almost about 3 minutes. And you see the angle of the sun in the sky is less and less. And basically, the autumnal equinox, which occurs on this Sunday, is the halfway mark between the high sun to high noon on the first day of summer in June, and of course the low point of sunshine and the shortest period that it takes it from rising in the southeast, setting in the southwest on that first day of winter, on the winter solstice that we are quickly now working our way towards as we get into the second, third of the month of September. Weather-wise, across the Northeast, our weather situation basically dictated by areas of moisture that are around the mid-Atlantic states, but seems to be drifting further offshore. We have some concern that around the middle to the end of next week, a major area of low pressure could form into a hurricane or at least a tropical storm out of the southern Gulf of Mexico near the South American coast of Colombia and Venezuela, and then head towards the northeast, possibly crossing somewhere around the Gulf from around Louisiana to coastal Florida. It's just something that may be occurring on Thursday and Friday of next week. No real hard evidence at this point, except for the conditions are right, and the models are starting to bring those situations in play for later on next week. In the meantime, our weather is basically tranquil, relatively tranquil for today, tomorrow, and right in through this upcoming weekend and into the early portion of next week as well. If you are traveling on this Thursday, it seems like a pretty good weather in Atlanta and Texas, Chicago doing fine. Just some scattered showers and maybe even a thunderstorm with a weather front moving through Minneapolis, St. Paul, so some delays there. Coastal areas of New Jersey, Long Island, and coastal New England under clouds and the possibility of some showers from this still offshore tropical disturbance that basically has now just become a depression, and that's causing an east flow. The east flow brings in moisture from the ocean. It could keep some low-level clouds in that area. Could cause a few delays into the New York area if, in fact, we get down to what we call IFR conditions or low clouds and visibilities. West Coast showing some rainfall across San Francisco and just north of L.A. as another frontal system is working its way there. Dry conditions in the Pacific Northwest as well. So the forecast for the Northeast corridor calling for a mix of clouds and sun. Interior spots sunnier, more clouds along the coast. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 70s for Thursday. Friday also a chance of some scattered showers as this front and this low pressure is really going to be in the area for a while. By Saturday, we're hoping that it moves offshore. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week, hopefully high pressure building in. But with these areas of low pressure just off the coast, there's a lot of an east flow, and that could keep us into clouds at that time. No major areas of rainfall, though, for the Northeast corridor. It's been dry so far this month of September. Less than a quarter of an inch of rainfall from D.C. up to the Boston area, although there may be up to as much as a half inch in coastal Massachusetts over the next couple of days. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Friday. Take care.